Assalamu alaikum. Today we will study together a new lesson, which is equality of two algebraic fractions. It is said that two algebraic fractions n1 and n2 are equal if the two following conditions are satisfied together. One of them not enough. We need to find the two conditions satisfied. Then we said that the two algebraic fractions n1 and n2 are equal. Let's read the conditions. Number one, the domain of n1 equal the domain of n2. The domain of n1 equal the domain of n2. And as we know, the domain of n1 or 2, the domain of n equal all r except the zeros of the denominator. Let's read the second condition. n1 of x equal n2 of x. n1 of x equal n2 of x. It means after simplifying n1 and simplifying n2, then the result of n1 and the result from n2 are equal for each x belonging to the common domain. For example, we have here n1 of x equal x to the power of 2 minus 5x over x to the power of 2 minus 7x plus 10. This is n1. First, let's simplify n1. Let's factorize n1. X to the power of 2 minus 5x. Here we have common factor x and x. Then we will take x outside as a common factor. We have here x. X to the power of 2 divided by x equal x. Minus 5x divided by x equal 5. Then the numerator, we have factorized it into x, open brackets, x minus 5. The denominator, we have x to the power of 2 minus 7x plus 10. Trinomial, we need to factorize it. We have here the last sign plus, then we need two numbers, their times equal 10, and we will take the sign of the middle in the two brackets. Then write x and the x. 10 equal what times what? 10 equal 1 times 10 and 2 times 5. Which one is satisfied here? Which one is suitable here? We need the sum of the two numbers equal 7. 1 plus 10 equal 11 and 2 plus 5 equal 7. Then we will take 2 and 5. Write the sign of the middle in the two brackets because of the plus of the third term. Here we have x, open brackets, x minus 5 over x minus 2 inside brackets times x minus 5. Now we can find the domain of n1. All are except the zeros of the denominator. The zeros of the denominator. Then the domain of n1 equal r difference 2 and 5. This is the domain of n1. Now let's simplify the n1. We have here x minus 5 and here x minus 5. Then we can cancel x minus 5 and x minus 5. Then n1 of x will be x over x minus 2. X over x minus 2. Now n2 of x equal 3x minus 15 over 3x to the power of 2 minus 21x plus 30. In the numerator we have 3 and 15. 3 and 15, both of them divisible by 3. Then we can take 3 as a common factor. 3x divided by 3 equal x minus 15 divided by 3 equal 5. And in the denominator we have here 3, 21 and 30. All of them divisible by 3. then we can take 3 as a common factor. Write 3 and divide all the terms by 3. 3x to the power of 2 divided by 3 equal x to the power of 2. Negative 21x divided by 3 equal negative 7x, or write the minus, and 21x divided by 3 equal 7x. 30 divided by 3 equal 10. Now we have trinomial, we need to factorize it. Write 3 and factorize the trinomial. X to the power of 2 minus 7x plus 10. Trinomial, we have here 10, and here we have plus. Then we need two numbers, their multiplication, their times equal 10, and their sum equal 7. Then we will write 2 and 5. The last sign positive, then we will take the middle sign in both brackets. Let's find the domain of N2. The domain of N2, all are except the zeros of the denominators. We have here zeros, 2 and 5. Then the domain of N2 equal R, difference 2 and 5. From 1 and 2, here let's find N2 of x. Let's simplify the x minus 5 and x minus 5. Then we will find the and simplify 3 with 3. Then we will find here in the numerator 3 divided by 3 equal 1. X minus 5 divided by x minus 5 equal 1. Then in the numerator will be 1 and the denominator will be x minus 2. Then n2 of x equal 1 over x minus 2. From 1 and 2. As you see here, the domain of n1 equal the domain of n2. But n1 of x not equal n2 of x. We said we need to satisfy the two conditions together. One of them is not enough. Then from 1 and 2, n1 not equal n2. أتمنى أن تكونوا فهمتوا اللي أنا قلته. إن شاء الله الموضوع سهل جدا. أتمنى تكونوا فهمتوا الدرس ونحل عليه تمارين. إن شاء الله الموضوع هيبقى سهل جدا. شكرا لكم. السلام عليكم ورحمة الله وبركاته.